Hey, good people, how are you doing? This is Mecca, and I am currently in the People's Republic of China. If you'd like to see what an apartment, a service apartment, looks like in China, short term lease, come with me and I'll share with you my little service apartment that I found in China. Starting with the door, this current apartment has got a combination lock. So this is really nice because you don't need to have or carry keys around. And I really like it because I'm here with my sisters and each of us come in at different times. So having a combination lock, I think, is an amazing thing and it's safe and secure. Okay. First thing I have against this apartment is the stairs. Now, unfortunately, a lot of the apartments we found have steep stairs inside because they are high rise buildings. You have to be able to climb up and down the stairs, especially when you're carrying bags. So, if you're someone that needs like a wheelchair, I think it's not really the most ideal, things for people that need adaptable, entrances or ergonomic spaces. So, that's one negative I have found. So to be honest, it's only a couple of stairs, but it's quite steep, really steep. So coming down sometimes you have to be careful. So this is what the space is looking like. Plethora of suitcases. There is no television. I was really shocked by that. No television at all. So it has this projector, which we've never bothered to use. We just put the projector away. I don't know why it doesn't have a TV, but we don't spend time watching TV, to be honest. It's got a massive balcony because if you see it's a high-rise building. Let me show you what outside looks like. So we have an area here where we're able to spread our clothes, and directly down is, look at that, lots of activities. It's a very busy apartment complex. Children can have a lot of rides here, which I think is really nice. It's child friendly, and lots of shops and restaurants out there as well. So that's really one thing that I really like, that it's quite accessible. There are lots of shops, the supermarkets near it, and also lots of child-friendly activities. So for people that have kids that want to play outdoors, there's rides and things. It's really, really fun and a nice area, okay? Let's go to the bedrooms and the kitchen together. So the open plan of the living room, look at that painting. Guys, this is just a poster. Isn't it lovely? Just that's a barricade for the bed, a window for the bedroom, and that's just poster, put it there, and it's really, really nice. I think putting a poster between this window that can't be opened from the bedroom and the living area just makes it really beautiful. Now this is our kitchen space. Okay, let's do a little walk around of the kitchen together, shall we? So the kitchen is quite small. Look at the size of the kitchen. It's equipped with a kettle, the most tiny hob I've ever seen. Just a single hob. That's the hob. It's got an extractor. Dishwasher has never been used. It's actually been used for storage. It had a couple of pans that were not really great quality. So if you are considering cooking in your apartment, I would suggest you just get yourself some cheap pans. Like we got ourselves a couple of woks, a wok and a pan that we have been using, and they have made life easier for us. For someone like me, especially making sure I am able to eat foods that are low inflammatory, which means I have to cook or control the ingredients. That's why I have to cook. It's so important. We wanted a microwave. My sister wanted a microwave. I don't use microwaves. They weren't able to provide it. I think the Chinese don't use microwaves either. So I was quite impressed. I'll show you what they had here, okay? So this is what they provided us with. A little grill, a tiny grill. So you could use this to roast your, meat or chicken or fish or whatever. It's not really practical to reheat food with it, but that's what they provided us with. Got some glasses, and we have a little corner here. There's no dish rack. We've just done our dishes and we have space to do our dishes. It's okay. It has a decent boiler, which really gets hot. By the way, I'm going to turn it off. And there is a massive fridge here. Did you want a fridge tour? We have lots of food in there. I have a little video showing the things I brought with me. You can watch that video to see what's in our fridge, okay? For now, I'm not doing the tour of the fridge. Let's go into the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. Really, really basic, to be honest. Not the most, I don't want to sugarcoat it, but it's not like the most cleanest looking bathroom. But it's okay, and it's been cleaned for us. That's one thing we're grateful for. It's a service apartment, so they come in and clean it when we want them to come in and clean it. So to be honest, it's okay. It's serving the purpose for a short-term accommodation. That's the whole idea. Short-term accommodation. So another thing I really want to share is in China, they use a lot of squatty toilets. So most places you squat, like the traditional squatters. But we have a normal WC, which I am also really grateful for because the squatties are not my favorite thing. However, it's actually best for your health to squat when you use the toilet. So if you look at research about best way to open your bowels and stuff, squatting is good. But I don't like squatting. Anyway, TMI, okay? We have ample amounts of towels supplied, and a few sort of disposable toothbrushes and hairbrushes if we needed it. And yeah, they did provide us with toilet paper and things like that and hand wash, okay? But the toilet is what you see here. Okay, let's move into the bedrooms. Guys, this is a two-bedroom apartment. So this is what bedroom one looks like. This is the biggest bedroom, okay? It has a double-sized bed, which can sleep two people, and a nice window and a nice sitting area, which we've turned into a lot more like storage space for more bags. But once again, you have a beautiful view out there. That's the view downstairs. You can see the children's lights, and then you can see all the way down there. You can see down far up onto the hills, which is nice. But yeah, the view is not too bad from this bedroom. I don't mind it at all. It's not bad. Okay. Every room has got an air conditioner, which is amazing. I love it. And it also has drawers or wardrobes, but the height is it's been done quite nicely. It's literally sitting on the bed, so it's tricky, but it's a big enough space to put things in if you want to. If you wanted to put things into this wardrobe, it's a decent space. However, it's not very practical to be in bed and getting stuff in and out. The rooms are so small that they had to do things like this. So this is why you have that little space there used as a wardrobe slash bed space, bed corner. So you can't actually have like a bedside table next to the beds, but it is a short-term accommodation, so it's not a hotel. And guys, it's really, really cheap. I want you to leave a comment, let me know what you think, like about how much it costs for a night in a two-bedroom flat that we are taking as a short-term service apartment. The next bedroom we have is over here. Now this is bedroom two. It's a bit smaller, but actually like the shelves by the bed, which the other room doesn't have, which we filled up with lots of rubbish once again. Guys, we are traveling, we are busy, everyday shopping, and so you have this mess, okay? It's not like our home. Little corner here, which we've had to use some shoes. However, you have, that is the entrance into the apartment. So this room's window, you don't have a view outside, which is okay. You can understand. Every room won't have a window outside, especially when we're living in a high-rise building. One thing you should note, China, people smoke a lot. So everywhere you go, there's lots of smokers. And so having the window connected down there, okay, that window there, which is leading us into the entrance of the apartment, you get a lot of cigarette smell coming in if you leave it open. So for ventilation, the windows leading to the main roads or to the main sort of floor is more ideal, okay? But this is a bedroom, air conditioning once again there, and decent size double bed for the second room for two people to sleep in as well. Things I have found I have really liked about this apartment are, firstly, it is clean. It is clean for us when we want it. So they come in and do some cleaning. We have room to do our laundry, which is so important because we are here for a few weeks. We also have kitchen services, a fridge, a freezer, which for me was so, so important. That's why I did not opt for a hotel. I opted for an apartment. So yes, self-service apartments are possible to get in China. However, something to note. The Chinese are not very keen. Some of the locals are not very keen on renting out their apartments. to foreigners. I need to investigate further. I need to understand why. But guys, if you have enjoyed my apartment tour, if this video has added any value and insight to you to make you know that it's possible to get a decent self-service apartment in China in 2025, leave a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up. And also leave a comment. What are your experiences renting? Experience so far has been amazing. No troubles at all. When we request anything, lady that we are renting from provides it. And that has been so good. We have peace of mind. We have security. The complex is really safe, really nice. And the price is amazing. I have to go now. If you have not subscribed, guys, and you are enjoying my content, please kindly click the subscribe button. It would not cost you anything. It will help more people come to learn and see what we are doing here. This is a space where I do not want to waste your time. I want to share with you quality information that will help you health-wise and also help you in your life's journey. Anyway, until next time, guys, I'll see you in another video. Bye. Mwah.